What's the meaning of canal? Canal. Canal.
Canal. Canal. A canal is a man-made waterway that is used for transportation, irrigation, drainage, or water supply. It is typically constructed by digging a path through the ground and lining or reinforcing its sides with concrete, stone, or other materials. Canals have been used throughout history for a variety of purposes, including improving transportation and trade routes, connecting bodies of water for navigation, and supplying water to crops in arid regions. Overall, canals have played a significant role in human development and continue to serve important functions in modern society.